Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the transformative power of acceptance.
As the quote goes, the only way to find true happiness is to fully accept yourself for who you are. So, let's talk about the first step of acceptance. The first step towards acceptance is recognizing and embracing your authentic self. We often struggle with self-acceptance because we're constantly bombarded with societal expectations and pressures. We try to fit into molds that don't align with who we truly are. But guess what? You are unique, and that's something to celebrate. Acceptance begins by acknowledging your strengths, passions, and quirks. It's about embracing your unique qualities that make you who you are. Take a moment to reflect on your journey so far, and think about what truly resonates with you. What brings you joy? What makes you feel alive? Embrace those aspects of yourself unapologetically. Now, let's talk about practical ways to practice self-acceptance. One powerful approach is practicing self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness, just as you would a close friend. Recognize that everyone makes mistakes and has imperfections. Remember that you deserve love, forgiveness, and understanding, especially from yourself. Another important aspect of acceptance is setting healthy boundaries. Learn to say no when something doesn't align with your values or drains your energy. Prioritize your own well-being and surround yourself with people who appreciate and accept you for who you are. Acceptance is an ongoing journey, and it takes time. But remember, the first step is embracing your authentic self. As you cultivate self-acceptance, you'll experience a profound sense of liberation and happiness. So, go out there and embrace your uniqueness, because the world needs your true, authentic self. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Remember, acceptance is the key to happiness. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.